Here we are given the rational function 8x minus 8 divided by x plus 2 and asked to find the intercepts, asymptotes, domain, range, and graph. So we start with the y-intercept, and the y-intercept will equal r evaluated at 0, which in this case will be negative 8 over 2 or negative 4. So the ordered pair 0, negative 4 is our y-intercept. The x-intercept is found by solving r of x equals 0. So we know that for the rational expression to be 0, its numerator would be 0. 8x minus 8 would have to be 0, and x would have to equal 8 divided by 8, which is 1. So the ordered pair 1, 0. So that would be about here. Now, the vertical asymptote is the vertical line going through the value which makes the denominator 0. And so x plus 2 equals 0 if and only if x equals negative 2. So x equals negative 2 is our vertical asymptote. It also defines the domain, because the domain will be all values except x equals negative 2. So negative infinity to negative 2 union negative 2 infinity. The horizontal asymptote requires that we examine the degrees of the numerator and denominator. This time they are the same, both degree 1, and so we have the equation y equals 8 divided by 1, the leading coefficient of the numerator, divided by the leading coefficient of the denominator, which is 8. Y equals 8 is the horizontal line, eight units above the x-axis. We then know that the range is all real values except for 8. So minus infinity to 8 union 8 infinity. We can sketch in the graph in the bottom right section created by the intersection of the horizontal and vertical asymptotes. And we'll notice that 0, negative 4 is 2 units to the right and 12 units below the horizontal asymptote. So, or below the intersection of the two asymptotes, which is negative 2, 8. If I go 2 units to the right and 12 units up, I will get the point negative 4, 20. If I go 3 units to the right of the vertical asymptote And 8 units down, I get the x-intercept. So I'm going to go 3 units to the right and 8 units up to 16, and I'll have the point -5, 16. So the part of the graph in the top right mirrors the part in the bottom right. And you can confirm for yourself that r of -4 equals 20 and r of -5 equals 16. The way I found those points was to use the symmetry around the point -2, 8. This type of graph is a hyperbola, and the graph is symmetric with respect to the point of intersection of the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. And it's characteristic of a graph which is the graph of a rational function with a linear function in the numerator and in the denominator.